Here at the New American Home, we are finishing up drywall touch-up, sealing the house, and we're moving along real good. We have 3 subcontractors here laying tile. We got one doing all the exterior wall tile. We got one doing all our slabs on the inside and outside of the showers. Another one doing all the floor tile.
To match the floor tile, flowing from the outside to the inside to the outside of the house, we're currently installing a tongue and groove provided by Synergy Wood Products. It's a 1x6 Ponderosa pine that's been stained the weather gray color. When you walk in the courtyard, you look up, you see the tongue and groove flow from the courtyard to the great room to the back patio. And that just brings the whole outdoor-indoor feel full circle. Well, the biggest thing we've been learning through the New American Home is that there's always room to grow and more opportunities to learn about different supplies and ways to construct the home.
Schluter supplied us with a membrane that's designed just to try to help stop any of the cracking from the concrete getting too hot and expanding and contracting. Our guys had to go to a special training to learn how to apply it correctly, and we've used it throughout the house, inside and out.
It's broadening our horizons, but it's also broadening our subcontractors' horizons. There's always room to grow. There's always more opportunities to learn more things, especially with building homes.
This experience has pushed us, and as well as our subs, to be more efficient and try new things. It's definitely an eye-opener.
The building technology is just getting better and better each day, and so why not broaden our horizons? And that's what we're really doing with the New American Home.